Hi everyone, I just wanted to share with you guys the Ipsy Glam bags that I have been receiving since January 2020. The first glam bag that we're going to check out is the month of January 2020. Let's go check it out. For the month of January, we received this glam bag right here, this full-size nail polish, this small bottle of Hemp's Original Lotion, this glow highlight right here, the brand Ofra, a lipstick, and an awesome eyeshadow. This was a free product that I received for signing up with Ipsy Glam Bag. And every glam bag also comes with a little card of the description of every piece of makeup that you receive. Let's check out the month of February 2020. For the month of February, we received this makeup bag here, a nice soft velvet makeup bag. We received this foundation, this hand cream, this lipstick, this blush right here, and this small palette of 4 eyeshadows.
Cool! So glittery and perfect.
When you sign up for Ipsy, you will customize your profile and they will send you colors
that you want
and that you will use based on the profile that you customized. Let's move on to the month of March.
Yeah!
For the month of March, we received this glam bag, which was not 100 years, silly. It was 100th glam bag that Ipsy had sent out. This lotion, this awesome to find curl cream. I have curly hair, so that's why they sent that. Based on my profile, I put that I had curly hair. We received this brush right here for the eyeshadows, this eyebrow pencil, and we also received this really nice blush right here.
Size, so cool!
Blush, blush, blush. Blush, eyeshadow, brush. Let's move on to this month's glam bag, April 2020.
Yeah!
Also for the month of March, which I forgot, we had received these face masks right here.
Cool.
So let's check it out, April 2020.
Yeah!
For the month of April, we received this beautiful bag right here. We also received this full-size nail polish, a nutrient-charged water gel, and a gel to water morning cleanser for your beautiful face.
Cool!
We also received this eyeshadow brush right here.
Cool. Really cool, right?
And we received this 4 palette eyeshadows. Look how beautiful those are. Nice.
So beautiful, I could faint.
All these bags that they always ship out with their makeup are just so beautiful. Check this out. It says Ipsy right there. It's a little wooden handle.
Cool!
The next thing that I wanted to share with you guys was all the add-ons that you can add on to your order, and some come in really cheap prices. They're from like $3 to more dollars, yep, to $8. Some are $24, depending on what you want to order. Some are $12. So let me share some of those other add-ons that I have added on to my Ipsy monthly glam bag.
I'll help you. Okay.
Okay, these are the things that I have added on to my glam bag, monthly glam bag. Let's check it out.
This rose ain't tiny.
That's a rose quartz rolling thing for your face. It's really cool. I got it for $12 and the retail price is $24. And they say that it's good to roll this on your face.
These are Ipsy add-ons. We'll show you. We have a roller, a blush stick, a cream, a Ipsy add-on, a lip polish, lipsticks, lip gloss. I think that's a foundation, right? I don't know. And another foundation, and to make your eyes long, like my eyes, or eyebrows. Okay, bye.
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 Bye everyone. Thanks
Bye.
for watching.